Okay, welcome back again. Okay, and what we want to look at now is electric shock. Be aware of that. It applies to you more than anything else. And remember that electric shock is the silent killer. It does not announce itself when it's coming. It does not give you any warnings. It gives you no pre-amplitude to its intentions. It is the silent killer. You must treat electricity with utmost respect at all times and comply with the IEE rates. Okay. Now again, read the information, extract the information, make it your own. That is your job. Get it done. Here you are. Right, this simply gives you what to do in an emergency. It's a flowchart showing you what needs to be done. Draw the flowchart out for yourself. Make it your own. Be part of that. Be part of the solution, not part of the problem. Voltage testers, okay, make sure it shows you how to test them and check that they're working. Your life can depend on it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.